Hi, a very good morning, children. A warm welcome to the new session. Happy Wednesday to all of you. Today in this session, I am going to teach you about the subject that is English. About which subject I am going to teach you, children? About the subject English. Okay, fine. Subject English, class UKG. Okay, topic. Today I am going to teach you in the subject English an interesting topic about preposition. Preposition. Okay, preposition or preposition. This is all about grammar. English grammar, children. Uh, you must be thinking why ma'am is going to teach you or teach us about grammar. It seems we are two small kids. It seems, right? Yes. Uh, with briefly I want to explain you, children, about preposition, not in depth. Briefly I'll explain you about preposition, why we need preposition, it seems. Okay, for example, preposition means it tells about the place or the person or a thing or a animal where exactly it seems, where exactly the place is located, where exactly the thing is, it seems. It tells, children, preposition tells where the person or an animal or a place or a thing is placed. It seems, it tells. Preposition means where a person, where a person, a animal, a place or a thing or a thing. Preposition means where a person or animal, a place or a thing is placed, it seems. Is placed, it seems. Preposition tells. Okay. Preposition tells where a person, animal or a place or a thing is placed, it seems. We can find out. We can able to say with the help of preposition. This is called preposition. Understood? This is about preposition. Now I am going to explain you about preposition with an example. For example, I am going to draw one picture, children. You just assume. Now I am drawing a small table. What is this? You just assume. I am not a I'm not expert in drawing, children. Okay, you just assume this is a table. Okay, the preposition. For example, some examples for prepositions are in, on, and under. These are the under and over. Okay, under and over. These are the four main prepositions. Four main preposition. The prepositions are in, on, under, and over. Okay. With an example, I am going to explain you about prepositions in, on, under, and over. Okay. What is this? This is an apple, right? Yes. Here, where the apple is placed, children, where the apple is placed, the apple is on the table. On the table. Table ಮೇಲಿದೆ. On the table. Can you say apple is table? it will become a meaningless sentence, right? It should be meaningful, means we need to use preposition on. Preposition on, right? Yes. The apple is on the table. An apple is on the table. The apple is on the table. Here the preposition is on. On. Okay. Can you say the apple is stable, it seems? No, right? We can't say like that. We must use preposition to complete the sentence. We must use this preposition word on, because here the apple is on the table. Okay? The apple is on the table. Okay? On shows preposition. On shows preposition. Understood? Okay. Next, the second one. Now, I am going to keep this apple here. Now, I am going to keep this. I kept this apple here. Okay. How can you say now? The apple is on the table or under the table? The apple is under the table. The apple is under the table. In this way, we can say. And apple is under the table. Kelagade, right? Under the table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. The apple is under the table. Kelagade. On means mele. Under means kelagade. Right? Yes. An apple is in under the table. Under. Kelagade. Right? Yes. The next one here. The preposition word under. Under. Okay. Next, on the table, one bowl was there. Bowl is there. On the table, what is there? On the table, one bowl is there. Okay. Inside of that bowl, some vegetables are there. Some fruits and vegetables are there, children. Inside of this, bowl, some fruits and vegetables are there. Okay? How can you say that sentence, children? Fruits and vegetables are in the bowl. Fruits and vegetables are in the bowl. Okay? Are in the bowl. Okay? One more example. Taj Mahal is located in the Agra. In Agra. We can't say Taj Mahal is Agra, right? We can't say, right? It will become a meaningless sentence. Taj Mahal is Agra. Is it right? No, right? Taj Mahal is located in Agra. In. Allide. Okay? Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Right? Yes. Next, the last one, over. Suppose you just assume here one cat is there. Okay, it's just jumping over this table. It's just jumping over this table. Okay, we can say the cat is jumping over the table, jumping over my hand, The dog is jumping over my hand. The cat is jumping over the table, over the table. The dog, for example, here one dog is there. You just assume, children, this dog is jumping over my hand. over my hand. Oh, understood? Over. Okay. These are the 4 preposition: in, on, under and over. Okay. To complete the sentence, to make a meaningful sentence, we must use preposition in a sentence. It shows where the place, animal, then person or thing is placed. It tells. The preposition tells. Understood? Preposition shows where a place, person, animal or thing is placed. It tells children. Preposition. The prepositions are in, on, under and over. Okay, in an exam you may get the questions like I am going to give you one picture. According to the picture, you have to complete the preposition to make a complete sentence by using these prepositions like in, on, under and over. Understood? I hope you all have understood today's topic about preposition. Okay. This is what oral preposition. Okay. And about writing, you must write A to Z small cursive letters and A to Z capital cursive letters in your classwork and homework. This will be the English homework for you children. Today's English homework, that is capital cursive letter and small cursive letter, you have to write two times in your English classwork and English homework. This will be your English homework, today's homework. I hope you all have understood about prepositions. Preposition. English grammar. Understood? Okay, I hope. Thank you. Bye-bye.